Florida is one of the fastest growing states. With an ever-increasing population of newcomers, growth requires more living spaces, such as multifamily residential apartment complexes. One of Florida's premier concrete shell and drywall contractors has consistently delivered high-quality and cost-effective structures around Florida and the Southeast.
KD was established 30 years ago by Carl Davis, which he is actually my stepfather. And when I started with the company, I was a laborer, and now I'm the president of the company. We try to always be the best at what we do, and we have grown dramatically in the last maybe 6-7 years. We have doubled the volume of business that we have done. We always try to achieve the best. Through the years, we have maintained a reputation of being in budget and time, and we maintain quality. So therefore, we have a repetitive business from the same clients for the last 28 years.
This is where it all starts, in the plan room. When we get drawings in from some of the different owner-developers asking us to take a look at their work, and the first thing we try to do for the clients is look at the job overall and determine which forming system is best. But we'll listen to their schedule needs as well as their budgetary needs so that we can help deliver to the client on as many needs as we can under their budget and time constraints.
From initial design engineering assistance, coordination with client owners to meet budgetary and scheduling demands, to job site safety once the project begins. Quality of work is at the core. All areas are equally important.
So Kyle, when Leroy and I met with the GC on this project, one of the things we noticed was the airport to the north. So we're going to be under some very strict FAA guidelines for this project.
Well, this is the Fairfield Pompano project with Fairfield Development. It is a 327 unit, 6-story multi-use facility with an integrated 6-story parking garage. So this is a tunnel form project. One of the advantages of tunnel form construction is the time that can be saved on the overall project schedule, which leads to overhead and general condition savings for the owner. One of the advantages of it is that you also can run with a little bit lower labor force over conventional construction means, which can be a cost savings to the overall project as well.
KD is the leading tunnel form contractor in the Southeast. They have equal experience to complete the largest of conventional projects, as well as a full-service framing and drywall division.
So about 10 years ago, KD Construction decided to start a drywall division. And we have become one of the largest drywall companies in South Florida.
The Fairfield at Pompano Beach is already 2 months into the build and still has months to go to completion. It is an excellent example of the tunnel form system.
This is actually roof pour construction going on today. So this will be the last phase of the project, and then we'll jump over to the south side of the building and start working from the ground up on that side.
KD does 50% of his business is conventional work, and the other 50% is tunnel form. We also work for some of the largest developer owners like Fairfield and Greystone and Greystar and others.
We actually have 3 sets of tunnel forms on this project. So what that allows us is the flexibility that there's always something ready to pour. 4,000 to 5,000 square feet a day is our general goal.
Yvonne Ramirez, safety coordinator for KD Construction, drops by the site to check in with the on-site safety manager in an effort to ensure all safety measures are observed.
Safety is a key part of our business. We are striving meeting and exceeding OSHA standards.
The construction crew continues to work on all the stages needed to complete a daily work cycle used in creating the tunnel forms. This technique is highly systematic, earthquake and hurricane proven, and provides an ideal solution to the critical problem of sound transmission.
With the tunnel form system, what you'll see today, the forms that were poured concrete on yesterday will be unlocked, lowered, slid out for the crane connection to be made, and they'll be flown over to their new location for concrete later today.
So our philosophy is always to work with the client and make sure that the client is always happy, and make sure that we finish on time and we're on budget.